Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we have a sponsored video by TEVO, that is the company that makes 3D printers, and I will be testing the biggest one that they have, the black window. First I will be assembling, and after I will print something to see the quality of the prints. The assembling process took me around 10 hours, but I was recording, and I did this in different days because I'm really busy right now. I'm living alone and I'm back to Portugal, so it's a big change in my life and a lot of things to do, but it isn't very hard to assemble this, and you can see here in the video. Before you start printing, it's very important to level the bed, and after calibrate the extruder for the right speed, and at the end you have to see if all the sensors are working very well and are in the right position. And after that you have to install the program. I'm using Repeater host, but you can use another program as well. I decided to make the review about this 3D printer because I was looking for one to buy, and after I received the message, and why not make a review and after get a printer for free. And till now the printer works very well. You can print very big objects and it's very strong because it's made out of aluminum. And with this 3D printer I'm printing my robot that I did in 3D, and after I can see something in my hand that is real and play with, and if I will receive a really nice feedback I will try to sell that toy. But I will do a video about that later. And yes, so you can find the link in the description and find more about this 3D printer. And yeah, thanks for watching, take care, bye.